How to view your upvoted post on Reddit. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Now go to the search section on the top and search for Reddit application. Search for any updates that may be available for Reddit. If there are updates option available, update it, or else go back to your homepage. Now open Reddit on your device. On Reddit, make sure you are logged in to your account. While you open it for the first time, you will land to the home page. Go to your profile section by tapping on the profile icon at the top right corner. Now slide like this will appear. Select History. Inside History, you should see all the activity about your post and your profile. To filter, click on Recent at the top left corner. Now select the option Upvoted to see all the upvoted posts. Additionally, you can even select downvoted or hidden. That's all for today. Thank you.